Installing the sensor is quick and easy. As with all Yolink devices, a Yolink hub is required to connect the sensor. Once your hub is up and running, you're ready to connect your door sensor. To set up the sensor, download the Yolink app to your tablet, smartphone, or other connected device and log in or create a new account. Within the app, tap Add Device and scan the QR code found on your sensor. Press the Set button on your sensor once to connect it. It will blink red once and then flash green to indicate it has joined the network. To install the sensor, clean the desired area. Remove the protective layer from the double-sided tape on the back of the sensor and position on your door or window. Hold in place for at least 5 seconds. Align the second part of the sensor and hold in place. Your door sensor is now set up and transmitting. Use the Yolink app to view and customize your new sensor. Rename the sensor, view time-stamped history, edit alert and notification settings, and more. To integrate with voice assistants such as Amazon, Alexa, or Google Assistant, simply go to My Profile in the Yolink app and access the Voice Assistant Integration Guide in Settings. Create safer and smarter homes with Yolink. Shop the full line of Yolink products on Amazon.com.